On the land of this generous homeland, and with the hands of its loyal sons, it was the beginning of a journey of effort and pride that gave a lot and made the change. Our journey began more than 5 decades ago with the ambitious vision of Sheikh Suleiman bin Abdulaziz Al Rajhi to build a modern and integrated industrial group to support the economic and industrial development of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, thus setting us up to achieve leadership in the industrial sector. We are a Saudi company that provides a full range of excellent packaging solutions and building materials, using the latest production technologies to produce high-quality products. We are much more than a manufacturing group. We are the backbone of many industries and services. Our products are used daily to package, preserve, and transport millions of goods and products worldwide. It is also used to support the infrastructure of cities, in construction, and the agricultural sector. We are one of the companies of Sheikh Suleiman bin Abdulaziz Al Rajhi Endowment, and we rank among the top 100 companies in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We are the preferred partner for many leading regional companies. Our products bring value to key market sectors, such as the chemical and petrochemical industries, the food and beverage industries, the electrical appliance industries, the shipping and transportation sector, the construction sector, the agricultural sector, and many other sectors. We own 11 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, built with the highest international specifications and equipped with the latest technology, manufacturing equipment, and quality testing, supported by a local and global supply chain to serve our customers on 3 continents. Safety and quality are at the heart of our operation, from testing and selecting the finest raw materials to monitor the entire production process to the final packing, shipping, and delivery. All our plants have obtained ISO certifications and accreditation and are constantly renewed and verified by renowned local and international certification authorities. Our production operations are controlled by the latest technology and ERP systems and managed by specialized staff in various fields. We are proud of our employees because they are the secret of our excellence and success. Through the programs of attracting, recruitment, training and developing Saudi competencies, we have provided an attractive environment for innovation and creativity, through which we have maintained our outstanding services and the quality of our products. We endeavor to meet the market demand today and in the future. Our plans are in line with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. We aim to expand our activities in order to enhance our competitive position in the existing sectors and invest in new sectors. Our goals are to increase the local industrial content, transfer and localize industrial technologies, create new industrial jobs, and raise the export percentage of Saudi products. The industry here is a mix of experience, competence, and potential, encapsulated in a passion for excellence, creativity, and leadership. Yesterday's ambition and action are yielding today's success. Watania for Industries. National industry with international quality.